A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, guys, good morning. It is August 4th, 2020, and it's time to log into Fidelity and check out my GE 401k balance. So let me do that. And it's pretty early in the morning. I'm an early bird. Actually, this is kind of late for me. I get up way earlier than this. I get up early and I go to pre-market trading on my Yahoo app, and that gives me a heads up of maybe what's going to happen today once the stock market opens at 9:30. All right, we're almost in. And again, today we're going to check out my GE 401k. So let's go in. All right, so my current balance as of yesterday, which is August 3rd, is 400,798 and 36 cents. So let's compare this to where we were last time. So the last update I gave you guys was on July 20th, which was 2 weeks ago. And I was at 396,724 and 37 cents. And the good news is I did better, or I'm doing better. And the difference is 3,773 and 99 cents. So in 2 weeks, that's good money to make. And as you guys know, how I like to say it, I made it while I was sleeping. So hopefully you guys are looking at your 401ks on a regular basis. This is nothing that you have to do every day, but you definitely want to go in and see where you are, maybe tune it up, switch some things around. And I have a video showing you how you buy and sell within a Fidelity 401k. So let's check out my year-to-date. All right, so still not good. You see this red? Red is not good. I'm at negative 10.59%. And in the last video, which was here on this date, I was at negative 11.5%. So I'm actually doing better. So I have a smaller negative number, which is good. So hopefully I'll just keep going smaller negative. Eventually I'll go to positive, and then hopefully I'll get me a big positive number. Like if this was positive 10.59, I would be very, very happy. So let's look at my investments. And the reason I'm doing better is in my last video, and you guys can check that out, I changed some things around. So I changed some of my investments, and I'm in two asset class, which is stocks. So I have two things that are heavily invested in stocks, and I have three funds that are heavily invested in bonds. And if you look at my year-to-date return, let's go here. I'm doing really well. So I got a positive number here, 3.17% year to date. I'm still negative here with my foreign stocks, negative 6.55, and then all my bond stocks, which are this, and this, I'm all positive. So that's great. And if you were to compare the funds that I'm invested in now, and the year to date, going back to the other video, actually the first video I ever did on my GE 401k. Let's find it. Which would be here. So on June 25th is the first video I ever did explaining to you guys about my GE 401k. And as you can see, I was at 382,000 and I just crossed 400,000 by August 3rd. But if you were to go here and check out these two videos, I broke them up into two parts because it was my first time discussing my 401k and I had a lot to say. But if you go to these videos, you're going to see that I was invested in different things and they were almost all negative. If not everything negative, at least the majority, high majority of the funds I had were negative. So what I did is I tuned it up, and that's what I'm suggesting you guys do. You want to log in maybe once a month or once every 2 months into your 401ks and just see where you are, and then look at some of the funds that you are not invested in, and you might say, I'm not invested in this one, or I'm not invested in that one. And out of all the things I've been teaching you guys, you might say, you know what, this is a good switch to do. I'm going to go from A to B. And again, one of the things you want to look at when you're considering what to invest in will be the fees. So here are all the fees in my GE 401k, and the best number you can have is 0. 0 means there are no fees. And if it's not 0, you want a real low number to consider. So this is 0.03. This is a high number, 0.88. And I think there might be a super high number here. Nope. So this is the highest number, 0.88. So they're charging a bigger fee than this one, 0.03. And that's it. That's it for this video. I showed you guys that I'll swap some things around in terms of my investments, and I grew my balance, and we're going to see what's going to happen in probably 2 more weeks when I update you guys. Again, the market is hot. The market will go cold. I have no idea when, but you want to win hard. And right now, that's what I'm doing, and that's what pretty much everyone is doing if you're in the stock market. And then when it cools down, hopefully it doesn't cool down so much that a lot of your profits will evaporate. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Check me out, stocksandrentals.com. I'll talk to you next time.